And I told you KICC is a portal, is an altar. And you asked me how can it be an altar? KICC, the architectural structure of KICC, it was drawn in mind of a donkey penis. So whoever that did that is a Mukamba called Motiso who did that. And then you asked me another question, just show us how it's a penis. The entire building,
it's actually the structure, it's clearly a
donkey. And then somebody was asking me, look at up there, that thing there, the head is not there. And I told him, go down, go down there is like another house outside there that is this way. Pick it up, pick it up. It completes the story. So why is this message hidden? Why was it hidden? Why did they cut the head and then the head is put down there? It's because it's a conspiracy theory. That's now the conspiracy theory comes in. And then after that, we have Mzee Jomo Kenyatta at the mid-row watching over parliament. Back is a court. The one hand is Sheria House, another one hand is City Hall. That is another altar that speaks in this nation.